Okay, hello everyone. So, for a YouTuber, a computer is very important to render. Now, editing is a very important part of any YouTuber's life, and especially for me when I use heavy files from GoPro Hero 4, DJI Phantom, I really need a good computer to edit and render those files. So it's been a while. I was thinking of getting a new computer. I was really confused whether to get a new laptop or desktop. So I'll be very honest to you. 2 months back, I decided that I'll go for desktop because I saw my friend Prasad Ved Patak, your Indian consumer, is using a very kick-ass desktop. I said to myself, I'm gonna get the same computer because it's perfect for rendering, it's water cooled and everything. For me, especially, I'm a guy who travels a lot, and you guys expect a video as soon as possible. So it's better for me if I buy a laptop so that I can, edit on the go and I can upload the videos from wherever I want. So for that, I borrowed a friend's laptop on my K2K ride, and for the first 4 days, I was editing in his laptop and I was uploading. When I came back to Mumbai, I returned the laptop. Then I got the laptop from Sachin Vazir sir, who was there with me for the ride. I got his laptop, but unfortunately, my software was crashing on his laptop, and then I realized, you know what, I should buy a laptop in the end. A few weeks back, if you are following me on Facebook page, I uploaded a status saying that I'm going to be buying a new laptop, and I shared the status of a link of Asus laptops. What happened is that one of my subscribers saw that post, and he surprisingly works for Asus, so he helped me getting in touch with Asus Mumbai. So I met these guys from Asus Mumbai, and we had a chat, and they asked me what kind of laptops I'm looking for and all that. I explained them what I'm looking for, what I really want. That I want laptop which is really powerful, which can help me render big files and everything, with RAM, good processor and everything. Latest laptop actually. So what they gave me is this. This is a Asus ROG series, a Republic of Gamer. Okay, so as you guys know, I'm not a professional reviewer, so I'll just read out the specs for you guys. The model number is Asus ROG G501WV. It comes with a quad-core Intel Core i7-6700HQ processor with a clock speed of 2.6 GHz, 16 GB DDR4 RAM with a clock speed of 2133 MHz, 4 GB GDDR5 NVIDIA GeForce GTX 960M, 1 GB SATA hard drive with 5400 RPM, 128 GB SSD, which is very important, if you want to render and all that stuff. 15.6 inches full HD screen with a 128-degree viewing angle, so you can enjoy all your videos and all this stuff. It also has a HD webcam, 3-in-1 memory card reader, 3 USB 3.0 slots and everything, and basically hyper cooled, smooth, stable, and all the normal stuff, which I will not go through. Okay, so till date I have been editing on the computer you see over there. It is just an i3. It has a Radeon 7600, I believe, graphic card. It has 8 GB DDR3 RAM. It has a 1 TB hard disk. But to edit a GoPro file, I mean, it really lags a lot. So if you have ever edited in your life, you know what I'm talking about. It is very difficult to edit and render those files. The moment you load that stuff in the timeline, it lags a lot. I know if you're a non-editor or non-gamer, you don't really understand what I'm talking about. So I'll be as easy as possible. This kind of PCs are not really good to edit the kind of files which I edit, and that is the reason it takes hell lot of time for me to edit, because the moment I load the file on the timeline, I have to wait for like a few seconds, and then each time I play those files, it lags. It'll be a shame if I'll compare this laptop to this kind of configuration, this desktop. So what I've decided is that I'm gonna go to my friend's place, Prasad Ved Patak, your Indian consumer, who has a desktop with the same configuration as this laptop, and it has a desktop. It is a water-cooled desktop. So I'm gonna go to his place and I'm gonna load the same file to his computer, and we're gonna try render few stuff to see which performs better. And so let's go and let's find it out. अरे बाप रे, एयरपोर्ट, वाओ नाइस यार,
नाइस टू मीट यू, बट यार
नाम क्या है?
प्रशिक, PRASHIK।
प्रशिक। हेलो
हाँ निखिल
भाई, आ गया हूँ मैं। कौन सा विंग है? और फ्लैट नंबर फ्लोर
पूरा
बताओ।
अरे कालू बहुत फेमस है।
कालू
मेरे से ज्यादा ये फेमस हो गया, पब्लिक इसके साथ फोटो खींच के जाता है।
कालू एंड सफेद।
आज वीडियो बनेगा कि पार्टी करेंगे?
प्रसाद हाउस,
हेलो।
दिस इज ब्रदर।
अरे ठंडा ठंडा।
प्रसाद इज वर्किंग बाय द वे।
ऑलरेडी वर्किंग ऑन दिस टीवी। व्यू टीवीज का वीडियो अभी तक आ गया होगा मेरा। ऑल डिपेंड्स ऑन
क्या है औरत साड़ी चेंज कर रही है?
अरे इट्स अ नाइस सॉन्ग, इट्स अ वेरी नाइस सॉन्ग। आप सुनिए तो सही।
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूं निखिल शर्मा। आप ही की तरह काम हिंदुस्तानी के घर पे, प्रसाद वेद पाठक और इंडियन कंज्यूमर के घर पे टू चेक माय न्यू लैपटॉप।
This is sexy.
And
So
imagine this we're gonna compare with that. Look at this. Oh my god. It's like a beast. It's like a beast. A beast. A beast. All this
with this. People are off here.
बाबा जी प्रणाम।
Sensei.
प्रणाम आपका आशीर्वाद देते रहो। ये कौन है मालूम है?
इसका मॉडल
ये कौन है मालूम है? मालूम है कि नहीं? मालूम तो होगा ही, कमेंट सेक्शन में जो भर देते हो। So a good computer is very important, and that's and for me, in the comment section you were talking about that I should go for a Mac and all that. To be very honest, yes, MacBook, Apple products are like, and I'm like crazy for Apple products, to be very honest. But just to buy an Apple products for rendering and the configuration which I have on that laptop, but to spend so much of money just for an Apple product doesn't make sense. I mean, I have so much of Windows-based software which I've purchased, which I can use in a Windows-based computer. So we have selected few GoPro files from my Kanyakumari and also some drone footages which we are transferring now. Same files to his desktop, same file to my laptop from my hard disk, and we're gonna use HitFilm 4 to render at the same time. We're gonna hit the render button exactly at the same time. I know
we can monitor the time.
yeah, we can monitor the time, and I know that this desktop is gonna win, but कितना timing,
मार्जिन कितना?
मार्जिन कितना देती है? Two minutes of the drone footage and 1 minute of the GoPro footage. He's also
And I just
vlogging.
received this parcel. पता
Just received this. This is a hoodie from YouTube.
Are you sure about it?
100%. I received it yesterday, and he received it today.
अब हम इसे खोले कैसे?
बताओ। एक हाथ से हम बताते हैं. Ready?
चलो,
1,
खोलो इसे।
2. गुटका स्टूडियो.
Okay. अभी प्यार से अभी प्यार से. Yeah. It seems like a hoodie.
Next up 2016. पर नाम लेना चाहिए था यार, नाम नहीं है. If anyone from YouTube is watching, I'm extremely sorry. This is the way we unbox.
Yeah. Sad but true. देखते साइज बराबर दिया
This is
गया.
hoodie.
Yeah, it's good. बट मेरे पास जो हुडी है ना,
इधर वो योर इंडियन कंज्यूमर का चिपको.
नहीं यार ठीक है.
मिरर नहीं.
गुड. नॉट ग्रेट.
पीछे टोपी होती तो और अच्छा लगता. टोपी है?
नहीं.
टोपी नहीं है.
अरे यार.
Okay, so the race is about to begin. That's Prasad's computer, and this is the laptop. And if you can see, we have the same export setting. We are rendering at 1080p, 30 frames per second, with a square pixel of 1:0 ratio, and it's 4.0 level. If you understand what is rendering, if you know the basics of editing, usually when I render my GoPro footage, I render at level 4.2 because I usually render at 60 frames per second. But if you're not rendering at 60 frames per second, then the best thing is to do at 4.0. So yeah, the same setting over here also. So we're gonna hit the export button at the same time. Prasad?
Okay, let's do it.
Export ना? Export दबाने का ना?
एक सेकंड.
एक second.
Let's do 1 2 3.
Okay, this is, I don't know, this is like the 5th or 6th take. So 1
2
2 3 go. Okay, finally.
Okay, done.
So this one is showing
4 minutes.
4 minutes 57 seconds. No, this is 4
4
minutes.
minutes 36
Time
seconds.
started actually. Okay, 4 minutes 30 seconds. This one is showing 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Whoa. Water cooled. Overclocked also. This is
No,
not overclocked.
it's not yet overclocked.
Okay, not
Clocked
yet
at 4 gigahertz. I can overclock it to 5 gigahertz, but I've not
Okay.
done
He has not. Okay, I will not sit here.
that. Toot jayegi.
Okay, he has not overclocked it. So basically, Prasad, what's your computer's configuration?
So this one is a i7-6700K, which is overclockable, but I have not overclocked it, and it is clocked at 4 gigahertz. And this one is a i7-6700HQ, which has a constant clock speed of 2.9 gigahertz,
2.6.
2.6 gigahertz, and 16 GB RAM. Even this one has a 16 GB RAM, and both of them have the 960 GTX 960 graphic card. And let's see, the performance is a bit different.
The desktop is winning. 1 minute 50 seconds remaining. Okay, by the way, if I would have done the same thing on my computer, क्या हुआ?
एक दिन लग जाता था.
नहीं, एक दिन नहीं लगता. At least 1.5 hours, not 2 hours. 2 hours for anything above 8 of 5-7 minutes. So this is like a 3-minute footage. So I would say 1 hour, 1 hour 15 minutes. So for 1 hour, 1 hour 15 minutes, this one is was showing 3.5 minutes. This one was showing 4.5 minutes. Okay, so this is showing 3 minutes,
काय बोलतो?
and this one
थोडं ढवळ ना त्याला.
is showing 53 seconds. 10 seconds remaining is almost done, and I think done.
It's done.
So it was finished in 3 minutes 2 seconds, and mine
here
is
it
still
shows
going.
1 minute 44 seconds.
1 minute
remaining.
44 seconds remaining.
And
Okay, 4 minutes 52 seconds. So total you can say a 2 minutes
difference.
2 minutes difference. But guys, this is a laptop. It just weighs 2 kgs. It just weighs 2 kgs. And this is a desktop. It's a beast. So the best part is I can carry this wherever I want. I can render stuff, edit stuff wherever I want. And also guys, the mouse which I am using is this one. This is the Rat 3 mouse, which has been gifted to me by one of my subscribers. So we'll chill over here. Thank you Prasad for all the help. He's also vlogging.
Do you drink?
Huh?
Do you drink?
No. I don't
अरे यार
water.
आज पार्टी करते
No,
हैं.
I don't party and all that. Okay, now I know this was not the complete review. You know the model number, you know everything about this laptop, so you can easily Google and you can find the reviews of other users, or maybe I'm sure a lot of other YouTubers has made a video about this laptop. I couldn't find this laptop anywhere on the e-commerce site in India. If you find it, please leave a comment section below. I will definitely share it. If I'll find it, I'll leave it in the description box below. This is a very good laptop, guys. I hope you like this vlog. Just made a small vlog about it, and if you have any questions regarding this laptop, I will definitely share my experience about using this laptop. You are definitely gonna see me using this laptop in my future videos whenever I travel and all that. So if you have any questions, I will definitely answer your question in my future vlogs whenever possible, or probably if it's an easier question, I will just reply to your comment. And that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and as always, shukran, alvida, ma salama, take care, and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. I will just leave you with the video of this laptop. Bye bye.
अभी कैसे प्यार से बात कर रहे हो? आपको समझ रहा नहीं, आप रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन बनो, इतनी बड़ी गाड़ी चला रहे हो ना, ऐसे पार्क मत करो। आप मंदिर के लिए आए, मस्जिद किसी के लिए भी आए, ऐसे रोड में करो, कितना तकलीफ होती है लोगों को।